blow valve with the soda can. Shout out to Mountain Dew. Woo! All right, let's get to work. What's going on, guys? So it started to rain. Drift day's coming upon us, but instead of making sure that everything is all good, we're gonna do something stupid and try to make some cool turbo noises on the Skyline. Let's get inside. Woo, nice and dry. Adrian just did a coilover install on this Type R here. The front's just tucking a little bit. Cambered in, looking nice. Dude, this actually looks like so aggressive, so nice.
I'll fuck with that another time.
He's like, damn, this looks good.
That's just definitely gonna rotate.
Oh, rub a little bit. Right, Fatian?
Oh yeah.
Nah, I'll be fine. You rub so much that it'll stop rubbing. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off with a good old Mountain Dew soda can. We're gonna be combining this with the Skyline to show you guys how to make some cool turbo noises. All right, what we're gonna be doing is pretty much on the RBs here, you got the blow-up valve right here, and all we're gonna be doing is the airflow that's going through the blow-up valve is gonna be cut. You can just disconnect this, but then driving this car, I did it before when I did the duck call blow-up valve, and it would stall after giving it some gas. SRs, I know you could disconnect, and a lot of people don't run blow-up valves at all, and make like a little gasket out of this to block the airflow onto the blow-up valve. We got OG Ryan out here, so you already know what we're gonna do is we're trying to make the RB sound a little bit cooler by not running a blow-up valve. But you don't run a blow-up valve, correct?
My current setup will not be running one. I have not run one yet. I've always had one.
And
but my car also, I haven't driven my said car.
All right, we'll do a whole video on no blow-up valve versus blow-up valve. What's your take on it? Any problems?
I mean, if in between before the video, just Google that shit because you have to bleep that out. Sorry, I forgot about it.
We're gonna do a whole video on that.
It's a whole thing on-off about it. But technically, with what we're doing, we don't need it, and it helps with drifting.
There's a lot of people saying you need a blow-up valve depending on how many pounds of boost you're running, but we're only running 7 pounds. So what we're doing is this would fall on its face when I just did an atmospheric blow-up valve, just like that. So we're gonna run the tube back into it, but we're gonna block off the airflow by creating a gasket to block off that whole blow valve using a soda can. So a soda can gasket.
A beer can.
A beer can. Sponsor this.
Well, that's
Laguna
Lagunitas. 12th of ever.
All right, here we go. We got the Mountain Dew can. Be careful if you guys ever do this, because this is a bad paper cut waiting to happen. All right, let's cut this bad boy out.
My turbo, that's pretty much the first real drive I did.
And here we have the gasket right here that goes in between the blow valve. So we'll use this and take a marker and make some markings.
Around the outside and fucking drill
Call it
through
a
that.
day. We're gonna take this, make a little template, and here, you want to hold this, Brandon? Just make a little template out of it. Look at that. Oh, it's still wet. Kindergarten teacher would be upset right now. Oh, it's all wet inside still. Right. Let's get some scissors here. Alright. Home. We're gonna cut this out and fold it so it's double layered. Just because this is kind of sketchy, it's so flimsy. We're gonna double layer it and then that should work. All right, so we went ahead and drilled the 2 holes, double layered it, just so, focusing, just so it's not as sketchy. But if anything, if it's too sketchy, we got real metal that we can use. But we're doing it for YouTube. All right, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's how it's gonna be pretty much mocked up there. Place the blow valve right over it, put the screws in, connect the hose, and it should be good. All right, we got this all bolted down. That should be good. We'll just connect that hose back in there. And no, guys, don't worry. I'm not gonna keep it running like that. It's not gonna mess up the skyline. We're just doing it for the noises. Oh, let me turn that back on. Hold on. All right, that's all together. Now we can start it back up and see what noises happen. And don't worry, it's not gonna suck into the turbo or anything. Let's go from the inside. Oh. Here, Brandon. Alright, the idle does need to get adjusted, but we're not gonna do that. Go ahead, you can show the viewers.
Alright.
What happened? What? Alright guys, this is what happens when you put a soda can blocking off your blow valve.
Let me get one more rev.
You block off your blow valve with the soda can. Shout out to Mountain Dew.
Gotta Snapchat it, right?
Let's go. And that's how it's done, people. So we didn't have to adjust anything, so that was all. Yo, let's go and get hyped!
That shit sound crazy, holy shit.
It does sound pretty good. All right, so now we could go ahead and actually do some drift prep stuff. What I need to do is put the other handbrake on. I'll show you guys. All right, if you guys haven't seen past videos, this is what I did. Got the idea from locals up in Canada, but bam, BMX style handbrake. All we need to do is right at that like 3rd mark clamp right there. Just gonna cut it a little bit just so it fits a little bit better. On a serious note, we're gonna go ahead, cut this, shorten it a little bit. That way it's more snug and a little closer to me. That way when I pull the handbrake, it won't be so far away and move a little bit as well. Gotta get some safety glasses. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe and drop a like if you want to see this back out here. We're gonna be doing a couple angle mods to the S14 and that should definitely be fun. But that's gonna have to wait till we come back from Japan, which we're leaving in 2 weeks. So get hyped on that content, boys. Alright, if you guys haven't seen the video, but all I did was I made this handbrake removable that way because I was going to take this to Japan with me and it was just holding by clips here. That way I could just use this over there. But this is how close it feels and it feels good. So that way I'll just be able to yank this all the way and we'll be good. I didn't unclip that thing yet, so this is how I just need to unfold that little clip right there and we should be good. Free slap sticker to whoever can guess who sings this. comment down below. Alright, we're playing musical chairs with some cars. Adrian's going inside. I had to drive back in just because the car was shutting off, but I think it's because of the math, like trying to relearn, like getting that unmetered air. Now it has metered air, so we're pulling back in and we'll see what's up with it. See, it's about to shut off. It's about to shut off. Boom. Ghetto turbo timer. I was still having the idling problem. It would idle and then the car would just die. Unplug the math, it would run, it would stay running. Right when I plugged the math back in, it would run for a little bit, maybe like 30 seconds, then it would die. So we're gonna pull it in, see what's up with that. Got Lucas Kevin out here, gonna finish wrapping the BMW. Good job, guys. You guys are doing great. It's the final product. Pull me over yellow, you already know. It's looking good. Drop a like if you guys like this car. Finishing up the wrap right here. It's looking good. Last finishing touches. If you guys need your cars wrapped, let them know. But that'll be the end of the video, guys. Everything's pretty much situated. Like I said, come out to Lock City Drift at Thompson Motor Speedway. Get some ride-alongs. I have an extra helmet. Just gotta finish putting the extra seatbelt on that side, and then we'll be good. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.